Alright, so we have one more child in the class. His name is David. And David used to join online before. Now he has decided to come to the classroom, which is a good news. So that we have more kids in the classroom. Yeah. Now, next 45 minutes or 50 minutes, I would request everybody to pay full attention to what we do in the class, so that we keep learning. Now, first thing first, we do tables, right? We'll check who knows how much of table. Okay. So Sohita, you remember table till 6?
6.
Let's quickly check. And whenever you get distracted, promise yourself, take a deep breath, get attention back to the class. No distractions, okay? I have threatened you enough. Alright. So, Sohita, 6 5 ja.
30.
4 8 ja.
32.
5 9 ja.
45.
6 8 ja.
48.
6 7 ja.
42.
5 3 ja.
15.
2 9 ja.
18.
6 5 ja.
30.
Good job. Okay? Good job. So you promised me in the last class that you will memorize the tables till 6 and you did not disappoint me. You took maybe half a second more, but that doesn't disappoint me, okay? So you will get to a point where you say 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 8 7 is 56. So anyways, you have not memorized table of 8, so that's fine. But you are doing wonderful. Let's look at what is that? That's okay. That's fine. Okay. So here, David. It's fine. And stay focused, okay? Pencil falling, notebook falling, you falling, not good. Okay. Ready? Table till?
5, skip 6, 7, and 8, and then 11.
Okay. I will not go that far. My goal is to make things perfect and then we can move on. If you make mistake with the smaller numbers, going far doesn't help. So let's check. Let's start with yeah, beta.
Table 11, table 11, all of them. It's so easy.
10 and 11 are very easy. So that's why. If you finish till 9, 10 11 is like a cakewalk. You don't have to worry. Anyways, let's see what David remembers. So I will check till 6, okay? Let's see how good you are with table till 6. 5 9 ja.
5 9s. 45.
6 8 ja.
6 8s are. The 6s are hard.
4 7 ja.
4 7s are. 36.
No guesswork.
24.
No, 4 7 28. So see, table. If I say I know table till 19, that means I cannot go wrong with the table till 18 and then I know 19. That is how it works. Okay. So now, that's why I always stop kids from going to higher numbers when we are not confident about smaller numbers. Okay. Because you can go up to 20. See, none of us are going to learn more than 20. Okay.
Okay.
And for that you have time till high school. So you essentially have 9 more years to memorize rest of the tables, okay? So don't rush for finishing it off. Make sure you get perfect with that. So your target, your goal, I can write it here. Saying today is what? Today is 0311, right? And this is what is written by your teacher, Virendra. Table till. Yeah, Virendra? Then table till 5. Let's before next class. Okay? And next class I am counting on next Monday, which will be 0318. I want you to memorize table till 5 and it should be solid. If I say 5 9s are 45, 4 8s are 32, 2 9s are 18, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27. Likewise, where you don't have to think, and that is not a big deal. It's very easy. You have to just spend 5 minutes with yourself in a very serious way. Okay. Let me pick up the table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. If I took time, that means I got stuck. 3 7s are 21, 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 and then I start from beginning. And this whole exercise will not take you more than 5 minutes. Memorize. You have 7 days, exactly 7 days from today till next Monday. Spend 5 minutes with yourself in a very honest way, and you'll see. Okay, Rehan, ready? Table till 6 8 ja. 3 9 ja. Hands down. 6 5 ja.
30,
5 9 ja.
45,
4 8 ja.
32,
3 3 ja.
9,
2 9 ja.
18,
6 7 ja.
42,
5 8 ja.
40,
Okay, so you have been memorizing table for sure. I can give you in writing. Tell me if I'm wrong. You are memorizing table. I can clearly see that. And you are able to answer those. Where you missed? When I asked you 3 9 ja, it took you time because you have been focusing more on 6, 5 and 4. And that you were able to answer 6, 5 and 4 correctly, but you got stuck in 3 because you had not memorized 3 recently. Is that a correct statement? Do you think I'm saying it right? Yeah. So that's what happens, and that's very normal. When you memorize tables, you have to make sure that if you go forward, Rehan, I'm talking to you. If you go forward, don't forget your previous ones. Okay? You have to keep practicing it.
like a building.
Story. I'll come to your story. I will see what all you are going to tell me today. Okay? So don't talk for others. Talk for yourself. That is what will help you the most. And this breakdance you can do after the class. Hands down. Hands down. Okay. Now table till
8.
7.
I'm
Prove.
ready.
Okay, I'll check you till 7, and if you do it right, I'll go to 8. I don't care. It's very easy for me to switch to 8. 7 5 ja.
3 5,
2 9 ja.
18,
3 6 ja.
18,
6 5 ja.
30,
7 7 ja.
49,
8 5 ja.
huh?
8 5 ja.
40,
7 7 ja.
49,
8 6 ja.
48,
6 7 ja.
42,
Come here. Come here. So, I want to pat you on your back, okay? You did not give me any wrong answer, okay? And you have always been very naughty. But kids can be naughty, that's okay. I want you to do better. So, you answered me all the questions correctly. Even the table of 8 that you were saying that you memorized it, you were able to answer it correctly. Now, what I need from you? What do I need from you?
quicker?
$500?
No.
Okay. So what I need from you is to practice a little more so that 8 6 48. This dance you can avoid. Okay? Yeah? Meaning you have to practice. But don't go to 9, stay till 8. You're doing wonderful. I just want you to get more accurate, more fast. That's it. Okay? Good job. So he gets maximum scolding from me. That doesn't mean I don't like him. Every child is very close to me. Okay? Very, very close to me. I'm just trying to make you guys more comfortable with maths.
Okay.
Alright. So, what do you want to learn today? LCM. You have LCM. Fractions, LCM.
Divisions.
Divisions. Okay. So fractions, LCM and division. There are 3 things that we want to learn. Let's see what all we can learn. First of all, when you say division, and again there are a lot of things related. LCM and division are also related. That's why I'm thinking of division to begin with. If I say divide 16 by 4.
I can't see the answer.
I know it's very light.
I know the answer already.
I don't care about the answer, okay? You guys all know it, right?
Yeah,
I don't-
the answer.
I don't care about the answer. What I care about,
Is the strategy?
strategy or the approach, how you're solving it. That is more important to me. If your approach is right, you can solve hundreds of problems. If your approach is not right, even if you give me 2 correct answers, you will make mistakes for every problem that you solve up to.
Sir,
Yep.
sir, there's so many different ways. So can I show the one way for multiplications?
So we are doing division right now, so we'll come to multiplication maybe later. We'll come back to multiplication again after some time. Let's focus on what we are trying to learn.
There is also one way to do divisions with that one.
Okay.
Can I show you it
Yeah.
in my paper?
Yep, why not? So 16 divided by 4. Can everybody do it quickly? I want to see what you are doing. If you have to divide 16 by 4, how are you doing it is what I'm trying to figure out. How much the answer is, I'm not really worried about it. 16 divided by 4. Get me the answer.
The answer is 16 divided by 4.
I mean, how will you solve it?
4.
No, how? How you are solving? How 4? Why not 5?
Because I know.
Because 4, 8, 12, 16, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you cut those figures and then you make 4. That's why.
So that is what I want you to do away with.
Can you do
Yeah.
16 divided by 4 with word problems?
Obviously, everything. See, this is the what you call the technicality of how do you solve a problem. Now, whether it's a word problem or a simple division problem, both will work the same way. Word problem will go to word problem a little later. Okay. See, I can give you an example here. 16 divided by 4. If I ask you guys to do. If I ask you guys to do 16 by 4, you will do it and tell me 4 is the answer. Now, I will not give you a question like this. What I can do instead is, I will say, I have 16 apples and I have to divide it among 4 kids. How many apples every child will get? That's a word problem. I have 16 apples. I have to divide 16 apples equally among 4 kids. How many apples every child will get? What does it mean? Yeah? So there are different ways to solve it. Now, the question here was 16 by 4. I was asking David, how would you solve it and why you think that it's 4?
So here's one way. So this is the first way I learned.
No, do it. First do it in the notebook. I would want to see it. I'm not here for any discussion. Okay. Yeah, Sohita.
I'm doing it.
You're still doing it? Okay.
Cashier, Mother.
Have you done it in the notebook? I am not here for getting story from anybody. Okay? What happened? What happened? Is it complete? Do you think it's complete? No, it is not. No.
So my way is this is the first way I ever learned to do it.
Mm-hmm.
So in division, you draw 16 dots,
Mm-hmm.
and then you take 4 circles, and you have to divide them equally like this.
Okay.
And then you get your answer. 16 divided by 4
Okay.
equals.
Okay. Okay. So this is one method. He is doing one method and he is not complete yet. Rehan, what is your answer? It's okay. Don't get distracted.
Sir, my ink is running out.
Those are the problems I am not here for fixing. What happened, Shweta?
Nothing.
Okay. You guys finish it, and then I will do.
It works again like it did.
No time for storytelling. It's only math class. Okay, Shweta done?
Two.
Done? Almost?
No. She's not done also. She doesn't know what is the
That's fine, sir. I'll take it. It's okay. Let the kids do whatever be right or wrong. I'm here to fix it. It's okay with her. You do it. Whatever you know, you do it. And then I will show you guys one more time, because we did something and I was supposed to give you guys assignment. I did not do it purposefully because I wanted to do little more practice in the class. Rehan done? Show me.
I'm done.
Okay. Show me, what did you do? Show me, what did you do? A little away from the screen. Okay. 16, 4. What did you get? Answer is what? What is the answer? 32?
32.
Okay. So, everybody has done things in different ways. You also did it. You got the answer. But why I'm not approving that approach? Because you have not done it the right way. I'll show you. Okay. Everybody here. Okay. Everybody
It
pay.
doesn't always work.
Okay. Calm down. Take a deep breath. We're not here for any storytelling. Pay attention here. If I say 16 divided by 4, meaning 16, whatever is to be divided by 4. I'm putting 4 outside. If I say 20 divided by 4, 20 divided by 4 or 5, I will write it like this. 20 goes inside the bracket, which I am trying to divide by 5. If I say 16 divided by 3, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write 16 in the bracket and I'll write 3 outside.
What do you do after? What do you do after?
This will work on 16.
No, can you guys stop jumping 3 steps? First of all, when I say something divided by this, I'm just telling you the first step, okay? Don't jump. Hold your horses. First, digest the first step, okay? If tomorrow if I say 25 divided by 6, I want to see only one thing, that is 25 inside the bracket and 6 outside. If you don't write it this way, there's a high likelihood of you going wrong, okay? So don't go wrong with your first step. Is everybody clear? Neha? Everybody, you? So what you did was this. What you did was this. I said 16 divided by 4. So you got it right. What you did was,
Use the wrong approach.
let the teacher speak. I said 16 divided by 4. So first thing that I told so far is, okay, so 16 has to be inside the bracket and 4 has to be here. You did that. Now what did you do? You wrote a 4 here. And you said, this is my answer. And I don't like it. Because when you are solving a problem, you are not actually solving. You have written 4. What does it mean to me? You could have written 6 also here. You could have written 5,000 also here. What does it mean to me actually?
Nothing.
I'm not getting what exactly you did. Now, if I were you, now, when I'm teaching, I'm not engaging in any discussion. You have to just listen to it and follow what I'm saying, okay? Not everything that I say triggers a discussion, okay? Everybody, pay attention. Now, 16 divided by 4. This is the first thing we have to do. Write it down. So, is that clear, beta? David, you are clear? Rehan, you are clear? Everybody clear? Now comes my next thing. That is when I start putting my thoughts. Okay, now do we all know the table of 4? We all do, right?
Yes.
This is how the table of 4 goes. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 4 8 are 32, 4 9 are 36, 4 10 are 40. This is all we know or we need to know. All of you who have memorized it, wonderful. If you have not, you need to memorize it. Okay? Now, so we are talking about table of 4. We are trying to divide 4. We are trying to divide 16 by 4. Meaning, we have to start counting table of 4 and see how far I can go. Can I do 4 1s of 4? Yeah, it will be smaller than 16. Yeah? 4 is smaller than 16? That means, okay, 4 will work. But can I go further? 4 2s are 8.
No.
That also,
Yes.
that also looks okay. That is smaller than 16. So I have to go either up to 16 or something less than 16. Okay? So 4 2s are 8. 8 is less than 16. Looks okay. We can still, but 8 is smaller than 16. Can I go further? Let's check. 4 3s are 12. Still smaller than 16. Looks okay. Can I go forward? Probably yes, because 12 is smaller than 16. 4 4s are 16. Bingo! That is a lottery. 4 times 4 is 16. We matched it. So 16 minus 16. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Done. This is my answer. When you showed me the answer, you had only showed me this much. And that makes no sense to me.
Then I told
Okay.
you that I like to show you like this.
Okay. So okay. If you did that, good for you. You will not make mistake. You will not get your marks reduced in your exam. If you don't do that, there will be a problem. Sohita, are you with me so far? Rehan, are you with me so far? Now, I will do one more problem, okay? And then I'll ask you guys to do 2 more. Let's look at this. If I say, everybody remembers table of 3?
No. Yeah.
3? I'm picking up easy ones, okay? Or let's say, I say divide 27 by 3. And remember, nobody should be doing it. It's only me. Because I'm supposed to do easy problems, I will let you guys do difficult ones. Now, 27 divided by 3. Same thing. What is my first step? Sohita, don't do it, beta. Don't do it. Listen to me for 2 more minutes. And then I will give you guys some problem to solve, okay? So, I had this question, 27 divided by 3. Meaning, I have to divide 27 by 3. 27 is to be divided by 3, whatever way you want to read it. Meaning, 27 goes inside the bracket and 3 remains outside. This is my first step. Now I'm very clear that I'm going to divide 27 by 3. Yeah?
Yeah.
So now my journey begins. Whoever lost the pen, pencil, cover, leave it. Don't have to move. Now 27 is to be divided by 3. What do I do? Start my counting of table of 3. 3 1s are 3. Smaller than 27? No problem. I can go ahead. 3 2s are 6. Still smaller than 27? No problem. 3 3s are 9. Still smaller than 27? I can move on. 3 4s are 12. Still smaller than this. We are good. 3 5s are 15. Still smaller than this. Rehan here. 3 6 are 18. Still smaller than this. 3 7s are 21. We still have a chance. 3 8 are 24. Still smaller than this. 3 9s are 27. Bingo. 3 9s are 27. Yeah? This is my answer. When I divide 27 by 3, this is my answer. When I want to see you guys solve a problem, I want to see this. Then only I will know that you are doing it right. Otherwise, no matter what you say, I would not believe your answer is right or not. Okay? Now, let's look at the next one. If I say divide 29 by 4. Rehan, here. Divide 29 by 4. Pay attention to what I'm saying. Same thing. I'm doing one more problem, okay? Then you guys can do next one. 29 divided by 4. This is what you have to do. This is the first step. Okay? So 29 is to be divided by 4. That's what I'm writing here. So I'll start the same stuff. 4. I have to pick the table of 4. 4 1 are 4. Smaller than 29. No problem. 4 2 are 8. Still smaller than 29. 4 3 are 12. Still smaller than 29. 4 4 are 16. Still smaller than 29. 4 5 are 20. Still have a chance. 4 6 are 24. We can still go on. 4 7 are 28. Still looks to be a chance. But 28 is smaller than 29. Can I go to 4 8 are 32? 32 is bigger than 29. So I have to stop at 4 7 are 28. So I will say 4 7 are 28. Now I have to subtract this. 29 minus 28, how much? 1. Right? So I agree? 29 minus 28 is 1, right? You? No problem? Okay. Now, this is where we are stuck. Can I divide 1 by 4? No. 1 is smaller than 4. You are done. So this is your answer. And this is called remainder. This is what you are left with. This is what is remaining. Stop the dance. This is a remainder. Meaning you cannot do anything further than this. Right now. Till you guys are small, you cannot do anything with this. Once you guys grow a little bit older, I will tell you what you will do with this. Okay? There is something called chicken and egg.
I know that.
Okay. And we will not talk about chicken and egg, okay? Nobody has to worry about chicken and egg right now. There is a concept called chicken and egg. And that we will learn once you guys grow up a little bit more. That's when we will learn about decimals, okay? I tell that in a more funny way, saying chicken and egg, okay? But that is decimals, don't worry about it right now. Okay?
You teach us that in the class.
Okay. Stop that discussion for now. Here, let's focus on what you're doing. So when you are dividing any number by another number, you start the table of that and see what is the maximum you can do. Okay? And you solve it. So this is a 2 division. That's what we have seen. Now I want you guys, so we saw 2 situations. One is when you are able to divide perfectly and you match the numbers. And second situation, when you have something extra, that becomes your remainder. Yep, yes, Sohita.
If it's 29 divided by 29, what do you do?
29 divided by 29. 2 1s are 2. 5 1s are 5. 6 1s are 6. 30 1s are 30. 29 1s are 29. Yeah? So if you have to divide 29 by 29, you say, okay, fine, this and this are matching. So 29 1s are 29. Done. Yeah? Anything. People say divide 5 million by 5 million. 5 million by 5 million. 5 million times 1 is 5 million. That's what it means.
Wait, 5 times 5 plus 25, so it would be 25 billion.
No, I said 5 million divided by 5 million. 5 million. So you are not multiplying it. How many times of this will give you this? 5 1s are 5 million times 1 is 5 million. It becomes 0. You are not multiplying it, you are dividing it. See, think of it this way. If you have 5 million and you have to give to only one person, how much you will give? 5 million. Yeah? Who has siblings here? How many brothers and sisters you have?
I have one sister.
You have one sister? You have one brother?
One brother.
How about you?
My sister and my cousin live somewhere else.
No, not cousin. I'm saying your own sister, own brother or own sister.
My sister lives somewhere else.
Okay.
That's your cousin.
That's your cousin. Okay. Anyways, okay. That problem is okay. He knows his sister better than you knowing his sister, right? Just not worry about. Okay. You stop unnecessary discussion. That's what I keep asking you, right? Now what I was trying to say here was let's say, Sohita, you have any brother or sister? No. So let's say, if Sohita's dad gets, let's say, 5 gulab jamun, okay? And he says, okay, I will give it to my child. How many Sohita will get? All 5, right? There is nobody to compete with her. Yeah? Let's say in Yug's case, your dad gets, let's say, 6 samosas and says, okay, I'll give it to both my child equally.
So,
Both of you will get 3, right? So you're dividing. So this is the case here. 6 is getting divided by 2. So that is how everybody gets 3. If I say 6 divide 6 by 6, meaning everything is given to one person.
That's equals to 0.
6, no, it's 6 times 1 is 6. Now it's 0. So your answer is 1. If you are giving 6 things to 6 people, how much everybody gets? Everybody gets 1. So okay, now you guys understood it. So this is we learned how to do division and what is remainder. Correct? Now I want everybody to solve 2 problems for me in next 10 minutes. Let's see. If I say divide 25 by 5 and divide 32 by 6, or let's say 34 by 4. There are 2 problems, okay? I want everybody to solve. Whatever you saw just now, I want you to apply that, okay? You, Rehan, you, everybody. Do it. And I would want all the kids to do it by themselves without seeking help from parents or anybody, okay? Do it. When I say divide this by this, you know how to write it. First write it and then you recall your table and do it, okay? Everybody. Sohita, you're doing by yourself? No help from daddy, mommy, okay? I know you can do it yourself. So I will let you guys do it. I will use the next 2 minutes to grab my water bottle. You guys finish it. Before that, I will be back. First step, write it correctly and then try solving it. Don't try solving it without writing it properly.
What's whispering?
You guys.
One or done.
You was whispering.
That's okay too. So that is called noise. If somebody is creating noise, you have to ignore.
Someone was whispering.
That's okay.
That was you.
That was okay. So let's not worry about Yug or the whisper. Let's worry about this mathematical problem. That's a bigger problem to deal with. Let's focus on the problem that we can solve. Yug's problem I have not been able to solve in last 6 months now. And you're proud of it?
No.
Then don't be. Take this one and do it with it. Yeah.
The first question.
Done the first question. Finish the second one also done.
I also do.
Okay.
Done? So what did you do? Have you written the question correctly? I mean, what was the first step?
First step is
To write. See, if I ask you write your name, what will you do? You write your name first, right? So what is the first step? This is my. See, you give me the answer. I'm not interested in the answer.
Okay.
I'm a teacher who is never interested in the answer. I'm interested in how you are doing it. So first thing is, okay, I said divide 25 by 5. So you have to write 25 here, write a 5 here. That is your starting point. Now you will say, okay, 5, how many times of 5 gives me 25?
5 times 5 equals 25.
Yeah. So 5 times 5 is 25. I'm assuming that you have done all your calculation, because if you do 5 times 4, 20 is smaller than this, 5 times 5, 25. This gives me the answer. This is what I want to see, not this. Okay? So now you do this one and let me know once you finish. You done?
I only did the first answer. I'm still doing.
You have wasted a lot of time whispering. Don't do that. What's the situation, Sunita?
Nothing, I'm thinking.
Okay.
Done.
Done?
I don't get it. Like,
Okay. So, see, this is where the problem is. So first one, 5 times, what do you do? 5 times 5 is 25. Right? Why did you not write 5 here? You have to write 5 here. That is how you will say, okay, 5 times 5 is 25. So here's the thing, okay? You have to divide 25 by 5. You start thinking, okay?
Answer.
Okay, I'm coming in a minute, beta, okay? How many times of 5 gives me 25? 5 1 just 5. Much smaller than 25, right? 5 is much smaller than 5 2 is 10. Okay, still smaller than this, I can still go on. 5 3 is 50. That also you know. 50 is still smaller than this. Okay, I can still go on. 5 4 is 20. Still smaller than this. 5 5 is 25. Oh, bingo. Got my lottery ticket. 5 times 5 gives me how much? 25. Then you subtract. 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 0, done. This is your answer. Same thing you will do with the second one. 34 divided by 4. How did you get 70? Okay. Let's see what Sarita did. Sarita, 5 times 5, 25, wonderful. What did you write below? Below 25, what?
0. 0.
Why you have written 0 below 25?
Oh.
Okay, what did you do?
so I did the same thing as this. With the same thing.
How many times? So you have to divide 34 by 4, right?
Yeah.
Then what did you do? In the table of 4, when does 34 come? Okay. Yug, what did you do? Show me. No, then that's a concern. That's a concern. You wasted a lot of time whispering, and this should have been an easy peasy one for you.
I want this one. I did the closest one to it, and then.
Okay. Can I request everybody to stop telling me stories? This is not an English story class. I'm not here to tell you guys story of Rapunzel. Okay? I'm not going to tell you guys story of Rapunzel or Beauty and the Beast or anything else. Yeah? What happened, Sarita?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. So I still think there is some confusion. Yeah, beta. Show me. Okay. Now, okay. Show me this one. Okay. I think you guys are probably overthinking. Okay. Let me do it one more time, just to make it simple for you. Okay. Everybody here, I want David, stay stable and look at what I'm doing. Everybody here. It's not cold. It's 78 degrees.
And
Okay, so here, Rehan, Sohita, David, Yug. Everybody should pay attention for next 5 minutes.
5. There's 5 minutes left?
Did you learn anything so far?
Yeah.
Don't be in a hurry to leave and go. Okay? Because your parents have put a lot of effort to bring you here to the class. If you go back home without learning anything, that will be a very disappointing thing for your parents. Okay? So make sure that you learn something when you come here. Now, everybody here. I can only see Sohita looking at the screen and David still trying to scratch his head to see what is happening here. You are very busy doing something else, and Rehan, you are also busy somewhere else. Pay attention here, okay? That's very. I'm not going to entertain that. Okay? If it's cold, you could have come with more clothes. If you want to really want me to check also whether it's cold or not, I will take it out and see how cold it is. If you guys don't want to study, that is not a problem that I would want to fix. Okay? Now let's see how cold it is. It's not cold. Who says cold? Are you really wanting to study or you want to waste time?
I want to study.
Then study. It's not cold by any means. By far, by any standard, it's not cold. I would not repeat myself. Alright. So, look at what I'm doing on the screen. If I have to divide 25 by 5 or divide any number by another number, okay? How do I read it? Divide 25 by 5. This is how I will read it. If somebody says 36 divided by 3, that means 36 is divided by 3, or divide 36 by 3. This is how I will read it. Okay? 25 is divided by 5. 36 is divided by 3. Is that okay? If I say 7 divided by 4, 7 is divided by 4. That's okay?
Yeah.
No problem reading this?
No.
First thing is reading, then second thing is writing. Now you have read this. 25 divided by 5. This is what the question was. The first question was. 25 is divided by 5. None of you, Yug, how many times? How many 100 times? How many 1,000 times I have to keep on repeating the same stupid sentence? That pay attention, please. You came here to learn math? Let's learn. So this is what I'm reading. Divide 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5. That is how I'm writing it. Okay. So you read this. Now you're writing it. Up to this much, okay? Yeah. Divide 25 by 5 or 25 divided by 5. You have written it now. Now your knowledge of table comes into picture. Okay? Everybody has been forced to memorize tables, right?
Yes.
I've been bothering you guys to memorize tables?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Stop taking pictures. Rather use your brain to take pictures, and that doesn't do a click. It just takes picture with concentration. Okay. Now, how you will start? I have to divide 25 by 5. So what you will do is, okay, do it simple here. If you want to take time, you will write it here. Okay. Table of 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 5 4 is 20. 5 5 is 25. Oh, you can stop here. You got 25 already. Yeah? So, how many times of 5 you got 25? 5 times 5. So, you have 5 here and you have to write this 5 here. What did you get? By 5 times 5, 25. You write that 25. Now, you have to subtract from 25. So, when you divided 25 by 5, or when you looked at this table, you got 25. So, now you subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Done. Is this okay? See, I'm now making it even simpler for you guys. That if you have to divide a number by another number, what you do is write the table of that number. Now the next question. Now let's go to, this one is okay, right? I have just written the table and I just use that. Which movie are you watching tonight? Which movie are you watching tonight? I mean, which movie are you watching tonight? Then why are you thinking about it? Pay attention to maths. Okay. So, Sarita, was this clear, beta? Okay. Let's look at the second problem. 34 divided by 4. That is what I was trying to do. Okay, look at it. See how easy it is. I'm making it so very boring for you guys. I'm doing the same thing again and again. 34 divided by 4. How will I write it? How will I write it? David. How will I write 34 divided by 4? In your notebook. I'll write in your notebook always. Write it. Right, notebook. I don't read air. I read from a notebook or a book.
Divided by 4.
So, Sohita, have you written it? How to divide it? So, I'm asking you guys to do the first thing. I'm saying divide 34 divided by 4. So, you read this. 34 divided by 4. How do you write it before you start?
So.
No, not so, not doso. Write it on the notebook. Exactly, that is what I wanted to see. This is how you will start. You have written that, okay, I have to divide 34 by 4. Okay? So, Sohita, what did you write? Show me. Okay. Yeah. You have written 4. Okay. So, this is easy, right? There is nothing difficult in this, right? This is wonderful. Now, you guys have written what you want to do. Okay? Okay, that's fine. Now, what I'm saying is, if you know what happens, Sarita? Okay. Okay.
Everybody disturbed. She's telling table of 4. That is why I muted.
Oh, okay. So I would suggest leave it here. Nobody will be allowed to go till I finish the class, no matter how long your parents are waiting outside. Okay. So now 34 is to be divided by 4. Leave it here. Here. More you look at the road, more I will extend the class. 34 is to be divided by 4. So everybody is to write like this. 34 divided by 4. Okay? Once you have written this, what you have to do is just go on writing the table of 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja 20. 4 6 ja 24. 4 7 ja 28. 4 8 ja 32. 4 9 ja 36. Oh, I need this one because this is more than this. How far I can go? I can go up to 32 because if I go to 36, it will be more than this. I cannot. Can I subtract 10 from 8? No. If I am trying to subtract something, it has to be smaller than that. If I say, you have $100, give me $150. Can you give me ever? No. It has to be, you will say, okay, I can give you maximum 100. You take 99 or maximum I can give you 100. But don't ask me for 125. I have only 100. How do I give you 125? Same thing here. If you have to subtract from this one, you can go a smaller number than this or the same number. So here, you don't get 34 in the table of 4. So you have to stop at this. 4 8 ja 32. What is remaining here? 2. So you cannot go beyond this. Now 4 8 are 32. So your answer is 8 and your remainder is 2. That is what it is. Are you guys able to follow me?
Subtract change.
Yeah. But it's not all the way. They didn't have 0, 0 yet.
You not get 0 here. And we are not doing decimal right now. So once, yeah,
I got it.
you got it.
I gave it to Dad, but I was confused because I thought we had to get all these zeros, so I was confused on that one.
So don't overthink. Keep things as simple as you can.
So it can't go above like this. So this is 2, it can't go above. It has to go above 4, or if it's less, we stop there, right?
Yeah, that's what is remainder. What remainder says is you cannot divide it any further.
Okay, now I was confused because
Okay, no story. Did you guys understand this or not? That is the
Yes.
question. Okay.
Yes.
Now we are almost done with the class, but I will take
it's
one. Yug, your whispering is not important right now. If I try to divide, one last problem will solve in 1 minute, less than a minute, and I want you guys to just pay attention for next 1 minute. If I say divide 37 by 5, I cannot repeat myself. I'm tired of repeating that. I just said just 1 minute. Rehan here. Soita here. I'm trying to divide 37 by 5. Just see what I'm doing step by step. 37 divided by 5. So 37 goes here inside the bracket and 5 remains here. What I do is I write the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40. Where do I stop? 5 7 is 35. Because if I go to 5 8 is 40, it will be more than this.
But you can borrow that.
35.
5 8 is 40. So 5 7 is 35 is where I have to stop.
It's 0. I mean 2.
No. Oh yeah, 2 remainder. Remainder is 2, yes. So 5 7 is where I have to stop.
Can I go do this?
Huh?
Can I do it back real quick?
That is more important, yes. Great. So 5 7 is when I will stop. So 5 7 is 35. And what is remaining here? 37 minus 35 is 2. Done. Soita, did you understand it?
Yes, I
Yeah.
understand it now.
Now you can solve hundreds of problems like this.
Yes.
That is what I want you guys to.
Can you give me one more?
So I am giving this problem, you can solve it and send it to me.
Can you give me 2 more?
2 more, I am writing it here, okay? 48.
Can you give me a homework today?
I'm doing it right now. I'll let everybody else go. I'm writing the questions for you, okay? This is one question. Second question is 37 divided by 5. Third question is 44 divided by 6. Fourth question is 35 divided by 5. So this, let's make it 38. So these are 4 questions you have for homework, okay? 48 divided by 6, 38 divided by 5, 44 divided by 6, 35 divided by 5. I want everybody to write these questions. This is a homework for you guys. 48 divided by 6, 38 divided by 5, 44 divided by 6, 35 divided by 5. Write it down quickly and I'll let you guys go. This is the homework.
Oh. Just give me the right time.
Quick. You have only 10 seconds to write it down.